Hey everyone! Today, we're gonna learn how to clean up messy data in Excel. As you can see here. Yeah, it's a bit of a disaster, but don't worry, we're gonna clean this up step by step, and I'll show you the fastest way to do it. First thing I'm gonna do is remove these numbers at the beginning of some rows. I want all the rows to look the same, starting with the name and ending with the registration date. See here? Some rows start with names, others with numbers. That's gonna mess things up when we start cleaning, so let's fix that. To remove those numbers, we're gonna use a little magic formula, equal, trim, bracket, MID, bracket. Click on the cell you wanna fix, comma, find, bracket, opening double quote, space, closing double quote, comma, click on the cell again, bracket, +1, comma, len, bracket. Click on the cell again, finish with 3 closing brackets, and hit enter. Formula's too long to memorize, so I threw it in the description like a responsible adult. The number's gone. Now just drag that down to apply it to the whole column. Once that's done, copy the column. Choose Paste Special. Values. We're doing this so we don't keep the formula, just the clean text. Delete this column. Cool, now we've got a nice clean starting point, and we're officially ready to jump into the actual data cleaning process. Go to Data. Make sure you've selected your whole dataset. Then search for text to columns. You'll get 2 options, choose delimited because our data is separated by commas. If you accidentally choose the wrong delimiter, well, your data will become like this. So change the delimiter to comma, and now all your data should be nicely separated into columns. Much better. Still a bit messy. Let's start with the first column. You might notice there are blank rows and some weird spaces. Let's deal with the blank rows first. Select all your data. Sort and filter, custom sort, and sort by the name column. But hey, why aren't the names sorted A to Z? That's because of sneaky extra spaces at the start of some names. No worries. Insert a new column and use this formula. Equal, trim, bracket, click on the cell, bracket, enter. Drag it down. Same step. Copy. Paste Special. And boom, clean names. Delete this column. Sort again. And now it looks much better. Moving on to the phone number column. You might notice the 0 at the beginning of the numbers has gone missing. Classic Excel behavior. We've got 2 ways to fix this. Option 1, use a formula, equal, opening double quote, 0, closing double quote, and, click on the cell, enter. Drag it down. Paste Special. Done. Option 2, select the phone number cells. Right-click. Format cell. Custom. Type 0 until you see the correct number appear here. Excel's weird, but it works. Last column. Looks like the date format's kinda messy. Easy fix. Select all the date cells. Click the formatting drop-down, choose short date. Boom. Clean dates. Now that everything's clean, let's give it a little makeover. Turn it into a table, because who doesn't love a cute, organized table? Click anywhere in your data, insert, table. And just like that, we've got clean, beautiful data. And that's it for this video. If you've got any better tips, tricks, or formulas, drop them in the comments. We're all learning together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See ya in the next one. Happy excelling!